Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. I have been looking forward to this momentous occasion, and it is going to be the history of fanny packs, why they're awesome, why we sell them on Chmelaeon.com, and what we would recommend. I'm very vested into the world of the fanny pack. It is an amazing piece of technology. It carries so much stuff. You can have your headphones in here. You can have sunscreen, like your phone, like tons of stuff you can put into these. And they're pretty awesome, I must admit. But before I go any further, I'm going to show you guys what we have on our website for fanny packs. And then we got 226 different kinds of fanny packs and satchels. It's pretty ridiculous, the amount of stuff we have. We have designer stuff. We have stuff you can take on a mountain, stuff you can go backpacking with, survivalist stuff. Basically any type of fanny pack you can imagine, we pretty much have it on the site. We're also going to have an Amazon link in the description below for fanny packs and eBay if you want to go that route. But I'm telling you guys, we have fanny packs that you can't even get on eBay or Amazon, so be sure to check us out. We have black ones, we have colorful ones, we have sport ones. It's ridiculous. These are just 4 of them. This is my everyday wear. But another reason I like them is that my phone never dies, because I have 4 battery packs in here. So my phone never dies. So, pretty cool piece of accessory. Pretty cool accessory. And that's basically it. I'm not going to over-exemplify the fanny pack. I am going to give you its history, though. There is a history of fanny packs, which I found quite interesting since I'm making this review. But I'm also going to Google what put in a fanny. What do you put in your fanny pack when you travel? Give me 1 second here. Essentials for a day trip can be put into here. So just to give you some ideas. Oh, makes you less of a target for pickpockets. You can keep everything inside and zip it up. Traveling more convenient. The accessory comes with a variety of different styles, prints, give you the flexibility to choose something to match your personality. The essential things to put in your fanny pack. Chapstick's a good one too, by the way. It's another thing I put in here. Your phone. Million miles away from it. Little stuff. I have eye drops in here too. What else do I have in here? Some of it's not in here because it's in my pocket, but floss is a good one to put in here. I got floss in here. There's a toothbrush. What else do I got in here? Floss is a good one though. It's like a mini toiletry kit right on your belt. Pretty awesome. I don't care what people think of fanny packs, man. I think they're awesome. A small whistle, a taser. Some people do concealed stuff in those. I'm not condoning that. Medicines, medications, you know, like a inhaler or something like that. Fanny pack can save your life, man. And make you look awesome simultaneously. But I'm going to give you guys the history of the fanny pack. And for our British friends, I didn't know this, but fanny is actually a vulgar slang term for vagina over there in Britain, so I apologize if I've offended anybody. But a fanny pack, in the American English, a bum bag, I like that, or a ket bag in Hiberno English, is a small fabric pouch which is usually secured with a zipper and worn by a strap around the hips or waist. The American and British names derive from the fact they are often worn with a pouch above the buttocks, for which fanny or bum are slang terms in each of the country. Bags attached to the belts have been used since antiquity in many cultures. One origin of the Native American buffalo pouch, which was used instead of sewing pockets into clothing. Which was used instead of sewing pockets into clothing, right? Buffalo pouches. One more thing about the fanny pack. You know the main reason I wear this thing? I think what cigarettes are to the 50s, phones are going to be to our generation. There's going to be people with brain tumors, man. I'm telling you. Like if they're using Bluetooth instead of headphones, and if they're putting your phone directly in your pocket. You know, at least with this thing, you got a couple inches of like plastic and leather and whatever other stuff you have blocking your actual organs and skin. So I'm just saying, back to the buffalo pouch. Maybe worn on the wrist or carried in front of the chest via a strap or lanyard. You can wear this across your back if you really wanted to. The Otzi had a belt pouch 5,000 years ago. The European medieval belt pouch is another attestant, which is superseded as clothing came to have pockets. The Scottish sporon is a similar belted pouch that survived because of impracticality of pockets in a kilt. It's cool. The modern version of a synthetic material came into use in the 1980s, and they were especially in vogue in the 1990s. I'm bringing them back. I've already brought them back. But now you are often considered old-fashioned. Their use was hated? Starized. I think that's what they're trying to say. By the American humorist Weird Al Yankovic. In 2012... calling them belted satchels. Satchels are good. Hand-free bag. Several designer labels sought to bring the accessory back from the offering stylish and expensive design, selling them for as much as $2,000. Ours are like $20. Fanny packs are designed for concealed carry of weapons. Of a weapon are available. Okay. In other cultures, they are known as belly bags, banana bags, kidney bags, mansurpio, wrist pack. You know, guys, just for the sake of everyone involved, let's reinvent the word. How about belt satchel? Or hands-free bag is a good one. I like that. Belt bag is a good one. So, how about a belt pack? You know, you have a backpack, just call it a belt pack. Why does it be called a fanny pack? Plus, people in Britain aren't going to dig that. The feminists over there, or whatever, I don't know. In July 2018, the Boston Globe reported that fanny packs are back in vogue with new packs introduced by fashion designers Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton. The designer bags cost $1,500. Have fun with that. Worn by celebrities. I'm not even going to honor their names. Artificial leather, fanny pack. Look at this Native American guy. That is a belt satchel, my friend. Worn with pride. I dig it. What else we got? Has a proud belt satchel right there. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys some neat facts about fanny packs. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you watched it to the end. Anyway, check out Chmelaeon.com. Links in the description below for Amazon and eBay. Get yourself a belt satchel today. Or a belt pack, whatever you want to call it. Let's just not call them fanny packs anymore. It is now a belt bag. I'm out. Chmelaeon.com is out. Get one today if you want to simplify your life and not get cancer of the areas around your waist. This will help dissipate those waves as well as keeping your medication, whatever else you need on you. Headphones. Tons of different stuff you can fit in these things, guys. Everyday use. Toiletries. Become more free. Some might even say liberated. Go grab yourself a fanny pack today. Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.